What is up, everybody? Today I'm in the garage working on my M3 and I wanted to show you a quick little video on how I attach my overfenders. This might seem like a easy enough process. A lot of people are familiar with, using rivets or maybe even riv certs. I don't have a rivet tool. I don't have a riv cert tool or riv nut, whatever you want to call them. I'm using what they call well nuts. They sell them at your local hardware store, which I'm telling you this because I didn't know. I bought mine from a company called Downstar Hardware. They sell cool, pretty dress-up bolts for your car. I spent like $100 on these things for all four corners of my car, you know what I mean? Just to have everything done and have a few extras. So, whatever. I was happy. I was content. I had a good, pretty way to attach my fenders. You can't beat it. And then I walked into my local hardware store a few days later and I saw what I just bought on the shelf for like probably pennies, probably 10 cents a piece. They're called well nuts. They sell them everywhere, Amazon. I just never heard of them. So I'm making this video because you've probably never heard of them. Or maybe you have, you're probably smarter than me, who knows? But this is how they work. I saw this video on Instagram. I'm gonna, put it right here. You slide the rubber plug in. It's got a threaded piece on the back. When you tighten the bolt up, it compresses, and that's it. They're so simple. You just drill a hole to the size of the well nut, and then use just a regular bolt to attach it. And I'll show you real quick how simple it is. I'm gonna pull my fender off real quick. All right, fender is off. This is what we're working with. This is the little rubber plug, and I'll show you the other side over here. This is the top. And they're the coolest things ever. Yeah, this video is super short, super basic, but I'm just trying to help people, honestly. Like, that's all it comes down to. I'm gonna put my fender back on, show you that, and that's it. Go buy some well nuts to secure your fenders. Don't use rivets, don't use riv nuts. You don't need anything special. Don't waste your money. I'm all about just cheap, simple mods that are helping you. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Thank you for watching.